Hello and welcome to the second of our video tutorial on how to get events set up with TicketCo. In the first video you will have seen how to create a basic event along with adding capacities and ticket types. In this video we'll primarily concentrate on setting up season passes and also how to do an admin sale. Before we go on to setting up season passes, one thing to note: you must have at least one game or fixture set up in the system before creating your season pass. This is to attach this game to the season pass in order to start selling season passes. If you don't have your fixture list yet, you can add these fixtures at a later date onto the season pass. So, in order to set up season passes, you will see season passes in the top menu here. You click on season passes. It will then bring you to this page. The setup of season passes is quite similar to the setup of a regular event. In order to create a new season pass, you click this button here. This will then bring you to this page where it requires you to enter in the details of your season pass. So the title of the season pass, an image for the season pass, a description of the season pass, and also where the stadium is located. You will see that I've created a season pass here along with an image, description, and the location of the stadium. Once we have this details filled in, we then hit the please continue button. This will then bring us on to creating our price types. In order to create a price type to add to the season pass, you click on season pass types. To create a new season pass type, you click on the create new season pass button. It will then ask you to fill in the details of that particular ticket. So if you've got an adult season ticket, you would create a separate ticket type for adults. You would enter a description of the season ticket. You can also add in the how to use the item, your price, which is important, along with the amount of passes you want available for this type. This is your capacity of each season pass type on the season ticket. The max season tickets per order is how many season passes of that particular type you'd like to sell in one go. And the start of sales and the stop sales is your on sale date and when the on sale is to end. Your sales channels are below as where you would like these season passes to be available from. Once we've created our season pass types, the next step is to associate at least one game to the season passes so we can start selling. To associate a game, as I mentioned at the start of the tutorial, you must have at least one game set up. If I click on the associate button, you will then see all of my published games appear in the right hand side. To attach it to a season pass, you click on the blue button, which then means that this particular match is attached to this season pass. Once I've done this, I hit save. Once the game has attached, I'm now ready to go back to my event details page. Make sure to check over all of the info on the season passes, both on the season passes types, the correct games associated, and also the event details. When I have this completed, I'm then ready to publish my event. I hit publish, and then I can use the link in the top left hand corner to be placed on my advertising or marketing links. If I open this link, you will then see that my season passes are ready for sale. Once we're set up with our event details and our price types added, the next step is to add in my price zones. You will see more information about adding and removing, creating new price zones in our support document. So to demonstrate how a season ticket sales looks like on the report, but also to demonstrate how to create an admin sale, I'm going to click here and hit create admin sale. So I hit the create admin sales button. I then hit create admin sale. If I'd like to sell my customer a ticket in block lower 6, for example, I can select this block, which will then display the seats. I can highlight seats by row or individually or by blocks. In this case, I'm just going to sell one seat. So I click on the seat. It will then display to me the season ticket type. If it's a child, I would select child. If it's an adult, I would select adult. It will also confirm to me the seat details before I proceed. So to create this order, I hit create order. It will then give me 3 options as to how I would like to settle this reservation. Firstly, it can be left as a reservation if the customer is not ready to pay yet. You can select invoice if you are invoicing the customer directly, or cash if it's a cash sale. In this case, I'm going to select cash. So I hit cash and then hit please continue. It will confirm the reservation amount to me. I hit confirm, and then I need to enter in my details. Once I've entered the customer details, I then hit save and continue, which will then bring me on to the next page to distribute the ticket. So once I have my customer details entered in, I can enter in his email address and his phone number. This will mean that he will get a copy of the season ticket sent to his email and also his phone. If I hit send receipt, the customer will then have this order. So now that I've created some season ticket sales and some sales have come through, you will see these populate on the individual match. If you have multiple fixtures for the season, these season ticket sales will populate on all of these matches. So if I click on the match, as you will have seen earlier on the report tab, it's identical to the season pass, but if I click here, you will then see what we call a shadow price type for that particular season pass appear on that individual game. And that's it. Now you're ready to go with season passes.